Welcome to Simple Solutions once again. A friend of mine just asked me recently. She puts data on her phone, but then most times she doesn't know where it goes because she's on a budget and she puts very few data bundles, MBs, what we call them mostly in Africa. Data bundles. So when you put data bundles on the phone and they are running so fast and you're wondering how is this possible? I put my 20 MBs but they've run out so fast and I haven't done even what I wanted to do. So sometimes sometimes your data is running so fast because of these things. So I'm going to show you which things are actually taking up your data and how you can stop them from doing that. So first, like I said in the previous video, the background applications that are taking up your data. So go to settings, and look for scroll down and look for application manager, and then in application manager you scroll, you just swipe, not scroll, you swipe to the left to see the running applications. Now these are the applications that are running at the moment. I think I haven't used Twitter in 2 days, but then it is showing me it is actually on. Yeah, this is what happens when someone sends me a message on Twitter. It's just going to come up immediately on. If someone posts something and a notification is going to come up here. What is causing all that? Because the application keeps running in the background and waiting for any new information coming up so that it gives it to you. Those push notifications. So if you look on the right hand side of the screen, you can see the 7 point something MBs, something 17 MBs. Or now that's data being used by your phone. So in case you didn't know this, it's happening. Your phone is using, your applications are using up a lot of your data on your phone, and you need to stop that in order to save your data. So what do? You stop the applications that you're not interested in at the moment. For example, if I'm not using Facebook Lite, I mean Messenger Lite, why do I need it on? It's taking up my data, and so far it has taken 7.7 MBs. Now imagine I had put on 20 MBs. That's a lot of data. So you just click on the application and click on stop. You see the stop on the left here. Click on stop and then you will have stopped the application. So the application gets off the list. And you do the same for all the applications that you're not using at the moment because they are taking up your data. When you're done, the other way of checking, this is for reducing your data is going. Another option is you have to restrict. You stop at the background. You restrict the amount of data being used on those background applications. Now you're going to go to settings and then you look for data usage. So when you click on data usage, you're going to see that this SIM number 1 called MTN, which is the one that is connected to the data, is it has these applications down here. Just scroll down. You scroll down and you see these applications. Now so far these are the applications that are running in the that are using data. So you can restrict how much data they use. So you say, for example, you click on the application. When it opens like this, like you see Facebook has opened, restrict background data. Now this disable background data on mobile data network only. Wi-Fi will be used if available. Now, which means when you connect a Wi-Fi or a hotspot next to you, your data, this thing is going to your phone, your Facebook will be running, will be using data in the background. So when you click on this on this, it asks you, do you really want to restrict background data? Then you click yes. Now what happens here most times, actually all the time, is that when your application is closed, it's not using data. It only uses data when you open it. For example, I have restricted it now, but when I go when I look for the application, and click on it, then it starts using data. So you've got it, eh? Yeah, but meanwhile, if it is not being if it's not open, it doesn't use data. It goes the same way for applications like this one, the browser for the internet. So in case you're downloading something, sometimes people are downloading things and they are running in the background and you're not aware of your application or of your downloads. But the same thing, if you restrict background data for this, for the browser, for any other application on the phone, it means the moment the application is closed, there is no activity. There is no activity. There is no consumption of data. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and also share, like, and leave a comment about what you think of these videos. We'll be getting back to you next time. Thank you so much.